Good morning, Carson. Hi. Good morning. What you doing? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. Hi. Say, come see me soon. Come see me soon. Say, I want to meet you. Say, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You have the hiccups. You have the hiccups. Tell us a story. What'd you dream about? What'd you dream about? Anything fun? Anything interesting? Yeah? Yeah? Did you dream about your dog and your kitties? Yeah? What else? Did you dream about the squirrels? And the birds? Did you dream about the bees? Okay, say bye-bye. Say, come see me. Come meet me soon. Bye. Say, I love everybody. Bye-bye. Bye.